resist your life. So if you are resist the changes, so you are live like a dead person. So it's just today's our presentation showing about how a change is very necessary in our life. And yes, let's start. My name is Saurav and I am presenting my presentation on PepsiCo and a very great journey of a PepsiCo showing how changes is important in business and as well as in life. Okay, so it is started with the Caleb D. Brandon. He is the founder of PepsiCo and it is started in 1894. He is generally a pharmacist and he invented a self-made drink which is also known as a bread drink. And at that time it get spread across the 25 states of the America. And why is Pepsi Cola? Its full form is Pepsi Cola. And why is Pepsi Cola? Because it is made of the pepsin and the same as it has a taste of Coca-Cola at that time. That's why it's Pepsi or Pepsi Cola. So, and for the kind of your information, pepsin is helpful for the digestion and it is basically worked as a medicine at that time. So that's why its name is Pepsi Cola. And in 1914, where the PepsiCo slowly growing, at that time the sugar prices get increased and so that result in 1923 it gets bankrupt. The first time it get bankrupt. So he offered PepsiCo to the Coca-Cola and at that time Coca-Cola rejected. And then the second person comes into the PepsiCo which his name is Roy McGarrell and he is the Wall Street broker. He's acquired PepsiCo and he is the second owner of the PepsiCo. Okay, and he gives 8 years to uplift the company, but suddenly in the 1929 the stock market is crashed and that's why it's again the bankrupt. So they again offered the PepsiCo to the Coca-Cola but they again rejected it. Then the main player of the PepsiCo who increased the basically who started the business of the PepsiCo, who is Charles Good, and he's at that time running the soda store and sells the Coca-Cola at that time. He approached Coca-Cola, he approaches the main company for selling the Coca-Cola direct. He wants to remove the middleman from the businesses. So he approached the Coca-Cola for the direct selling the Coca-Cola, but then due to some issues, company reject and then he get upset and disappointed from the Coca-Cola. But then he started selling the PepsiCo at that time. But due to the hype of the Coca-Cola, PepsiCo is not able to take place in the market at that time. And then he played a strategy and he also improved the quality of Coca-Cola. He invented and improved the quality of Coca-Cola and make a similar taste to the Coca-Cola of PepsiCo. Okay, and then he play a strategy where he sells the PepsiCo at 300 ml of the PepsiCo for the 5 cents, and Coca-Cola is selling at that time 150 ml of Coca-Cola for 5 cents. So he plays in the quantity and also improve the quality which is similar to the Coca-Cola and same taste as well. Then the final player of the PepsiCo, who is Indra Krishnamurti Nui, who is the current chairperson of the PepsiCo, she plays a very important role. Now the Indra Krishnamurti main aim is to make more over the health conscious product. So firstly she approached the KFC, Pizza Hut and the different food towards the food outlets and increase the sales of Coca-Cola, and which is in 1997, which is the total earning is $4.5 billion. Then she acquired the others more healthier product which is to make a healthy to acquire the healthy products like Tropicana, Picker Oats in 2000, Gatorade, Frito-Lay, Diet Pepsi, small friendly healthy products. She's more over towards the health conscious brands, and which is at that time now the PepsiCo acquired overall major health and FMCG's moreover the products, and now they are working on three main criteria, which is the good for you, basically oats, juice, fruits, all over the health product, and the second one is fun for you, which is also beverages and chips, and then other third main motive is better for you, which include green tea, diet Pepsi, and all. So that's it. It's all about the PepsiCo, and now if you have any queries, so you can ask me.
Yes, any queries? No?
So,
ऐसा happening self-explained है. Thank you so much.